Hercules, this is CDS-DZ. Wind reading, 1 knot, over.
I'm Chad Haver, Combat Defense Systems, and we'd like to introduce you to the first ever complete DZSO kit, airborne, all the way, H-. We built this kit to make your life easier. As DZSOs on the ground, we understand the pain you go through. We made this for you, the unsung heroes of airborne operations, the DZSO team.
I'm Matt Lyons with LCI. LCI is proud to partner with CDS on the DZSO HLZ system. LCI is part of the Ability One program, which creates jobs for blind and visually impaired Americans. These kits are a part of our made-to-order kit program. MTO Kitting fields kits to our nation's warfighters.
This is for all those DZSOs out there. You're welcome.